Hey everybody, this is Renee Rutten, and I just wanted to show you tonight a little bit easier, faster way to find some of the things that you want. We have gone over these. This is a Pinterest graphic, and this here is a bunch of free graphics that you can use and tweak to your liking. Then there's photos, and you can go through. I have a search in there, so if I take the search off, you get just a variety of things that you can put in. With elements, let's clear my search there, and it's the same thing. It's just a whole variety, kind of a conglomeration of things. The text, we've gone over the different pre-formatted texts that you can use. Backgrounds, the uploads, might be yeah, okay, so this is the uploads. It's the folders that I think is the paid version where you can save things in your own private folders. But anyway, what I wanted to show you tonight was, let's take a look at graphics, for example, or for backgrounds, I'm sorry. And they're kind of just really a bit of a conglomeration that you are flipping through and flipping through here, just trying to find the perfect one. But let's say that you know that you want a gradient, for example. Let's just type in gradient, and then it'll bring all the gradients together. So let's type in a background of trees, and then you'll get all trees. Instead of what you're getting when you just click on the background button, you're getting just a combination of all sorts of stuff, because it doesn't know what you're looking for. But, you know, if you want rain, be very specific about what you want, and then that's what will come up in your search, and it will save you a tremendous amount of time. Same thing here with elements. I mean, they just bring up just a variety of all kinds of things, you know, that you could possibly want. But just type in a snowflake if that's what you want. And look there, how much time that would save you, as opposed to not having a search and just going through and thumbing through and trying to find it. Now, under elements is all these graphic type of things, but you can also go to photos, and you can do the same thing. So let's search snowflake there. And then these are more photos as opposed to graphics. But anyway, those are just neat little shortcuts that I wanted to show you that you could use, that will not only speed up your time, but if you're looking for a snowflake and you're having to go through just a conglomeration of stuff, you might only find 2 or 3. But when you search specifically like this, then you're finding all of the snowflakes together, and then you can pick the one that is perfect for your background or for your creative. I just think that is very helpful, time-saving, and also easier to find what you're looking for. So I hope that helped. I hope you all have a great day. And this is Renee wishing you tons of success, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.